Yes. Uyayiva ke ngoku. Yeah. Lifikile. That the Lord has made. Yeah. My name is Lee, my sunflower, and this is the Uncover Show. This is Slee, the master of Slee and Lee. And this is the master of ceremony, by the way, MC, aka. How you feeling?
It's feeling, okay? I'm excited. I can't wait to have this experience of my life. Nokuthi nje yabona nje uthola amazwi ayi-2 3 nyana ufake ephakethini lakho as nawe umuntu okholelwa izinto ezi-positive, so I just see positive vibes all the way. Sizoqopha umlando namhlanje.
Ngiyayibona uyiphethe nale ncwadi. Akusibonise yona. I know you have not read this book, guys.
Jonga lami kunale ndawo ngithe xa ngigqiba uyivula ne. Ndiphanze ndalila uthi to my late parents and my siblings, I am because you are. So yeah, but I'm really excited, and I think because I had a sit Naya on my podcast, so she gave me glimpses of what the book is about. So yeah, that day. So just grab yourself a copy, and then also who is she and
in closing, what are your expectations of today?
Namhlanje, I see growth. I see people sharing their experience. I see today changing people's lives.
Umuhle uthanda ukukhala ungasikhaleli namhlanje, please uzosikhalisa sonke.
Jonga sana lami yabona namhlanje uzangibona for the first time. Nje namhlanje siqopha umlando. Yakubone nenyembezi eyi-1.
Yes. No nyembezi.